Oh, there we go. Yep, now it is. I like the loading screen they added. That's kind of cool. Yeah. Alright, let's see if Billy's still alive.
There he is.
He's still here?
He's still here, I feel.
Oh, hey, Billy! How's it going? I'm gonna have him... Here you go, Billy. Can you do that? What are you doing that I don't know for? Well, this is our house. We have a nice little shelter built here. Oh, now he's doing it. Oh, you son of a... Oh, you're having him gather sticks. Oh my god, dude. These birds don't shut the fuck up. I was gonna have him grab logs, but...
He can't, remember?
Oh. Is he injured?
No, just remember he can't grab.
Oh shit. I don't think we have food.
Oh wait, yes I can.
Crap. I just realized I don't think we have food. So I'm gonna drop some of the stuff that we have inside the base. I gotta find food though. We're gonna need to make food. Oh yeah, this is our little...
I know we have water.
Wow.
Yeah, we've been stockpiling for a while. Oh no. Put the stick back.
No, not Eric. There's sticks, logs, rocks, water, and feathers. That's the end of it.
Oh, okay. Oh, wait, we have fish.
I only have all these supplies over here.
I just bit the head off this. Oh.
Ramen noodle cup.
You want to go exploring?
And take Billy to a fucking tree.
Don't do that.
you imagine he's already retarded. He won't go do what I told him.
Oh my god, that's so fucked.
Oh,
this is Billy's hut. I forgot. Billy lives out here. He guards our stuff. All right. Well, I'm gonna equip the pistol. I don't know how many rounds I got. I say we go exploring, see what we can find. Dude, if these seagulls don't leave my fucking... Sorry, Billy. He's freaking the fuck out. Come on, yeah, land right there, you son of a bitch. Yeah, that's the lesson to all y'all. Fucking round. Come fuck around and find out. Alright, Billy. I want you to gather all the dead birds. Here, Billy. Here's something to do. Why are you looking at the back of her and saying yeah? Okay. Oh, dude, yours is like purple and shit.
Oh, medicine.
You found medicine? Oh. You just threw the... Oh, I see it.
Shit, I didn't want to pop Bill.
Alright, I gathered. Just tap the A button, honey.
I did.
Oh, this is our fish trap. I'm gonna crack me open and eat some clam because their fucking birds won't stop stealing our... Fucking gather... Billy, I'm sorry. Dude, they're trying to steal our fish. Oh, I got him! What else do I need? Oh, dude, I just... Oh, it shows you, like...
Get away from my fucking bird!
Whoa.
Get away from my fish,
Dude,
bitch!
what the fuck is going on?
My friend's for the fish.
Alright, let's combine another one of these. One's full? I don't think so. Alright, I guess Jesus! Dude, what in the fuck is going on? Oh yeah, that's right, the watch. That. Tape. 2 sticks,
You don't know
and
how to
this
or fishy rule. Piss me off.
honey.
What? I thought you were doing the read on it.
I am. Hold on 1 second though. I'm trying to make my explosive device. It's gonna work. I am a genius. Okay, can't use those. Alright. Let's go to those caves, honey, that we found over this way. Alright, Billy, stay there. Don't you follow. You watch the fort. Honey, have faith in Billy. He's a good guy. What is this stuff? What the fuck? Alright, I'm coming through. Do we have lights? Alright, just be careful. Oh, found some found some 9mm ammo. Hold on, honey, we should have a flashlight, right? I thought we did. You know what? I got a torch. I can equip that. Air tank? What's in here? Oh, flares. Hells yeah. Alright, so we don't even need... Oh, okay. Oh, Jesus. Crouch. What the hell, dude? So this is where the cannibalistic practice is. Oh, you can look through your bag.
For what?
I can look through your bag.
You're not bad.
Oh, sorry. No, I was just kidding. I was actually putting stuff from my bag into your bag because I'm full.
My bag is...
Hey, it's a floaty. Another dead guy. Looks like a SWAT guy. His eyes are completely white. Oh my god. Have your gun ready. I don't know what we're about to walk into out here. How did you do that? Oh, okay, I see. Be prepared! Well, we got some crates. Do we have to break them open? Some skeletons. Hold on a second. I'm gonna pull out, the axe. Oh, it's rope. Yeah, okay, so some of the stuff we can use. Canned food. More rope. Some wire. Holy shit, dude. No, I don't want to look at that. I want to get my gun. I want to get my gun back out. I'm gonna throw a flare up ahead. Oh crap, you know what? I didn't even light it. That's cool how the game actually, like, makes you think about that. I'm gonna light this one behind us. Okay. Now we have some resemblance of where we're going. You hear music too?
I'm a volleyball.
Wait, did I not save? Oh, that's weird. So it must be part of the, the fuck? What's this? Oh, it's hanging from the roof right here. You hear it over my headphones? Whoa, we got a body hanging from the roof, and it looks like he's not that old. Oh, I thought I could shoot the, I wasn't shooting you. Oh. I was trying to shoot the body down. That's dead end. Honey? Something huge just walked by that opening right there.
See it.
You see it? You saw it again? Did it walk by again? What the fuck? What the fuck is that, dude?
Don't push it off. What if it turns back down the wall?
Alright, let's go back, because we can't go any further, so... There's this entrance. But you're like, now I'm intrigued, I want to go deeper in there, and
There's a door.
oh crap, dude. I just got hit in the head. Hold on, I'm gonna grab these flares. Okay. I think you already have some, don't you? Alright, you know what? I know what to do. No, I don't want to use that.
Ah!
Against. Whoa. Alright, wish me luck.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Holy fuck, dude, this goes really far down. Oh, and there's crates down here. Alright. Oh, crap. Are you okay?
Yep.
I didn't hit you, right? I hope I didn't. If you need food, just let me know.
Yeah, left or right?
Let's go left. I don't want to go down any more holes. Yeah, we'll go left. You hear that groaning again. Just be careful.
I'm going down this way.
Yeah, I'm right here behind you. Watch you run through all the skeletons. Oh my god. You're just clunking off of every one of them like no big deal. Honey, fucking hey, would you calm down? Called an axe. Just pull one out. Yeah, well, ammo's precious right now, and we don't know if we're gonna get any more anytime soon, so I'm pulling my lighter out. You know what? Oh, careful. Right behind you. Oh, shit. What the hell? Careful. There's electricity down here, honey. What does this thing do?
I don't know.
I just took it. Alright, so I know what we gotta do. We gotta go back to base. We gotta drop off what we don't need. Wait, did we go through that way?
Mm-hmm.
What about this? I feel like I'm just getting pissed on, by whatever's above us. Dear God. Honey. Hey, look at this. It's a diagram.
Yeah, I found it.
Mighty thing. I'm gonna say you're right behind me, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's sketchy. Alright.
So yeah, so what's the game plan tomorrow?
We'll go. I know. Oh, yeah, this is one of those dead bodies of one of the zombie bitches that we killed. That was the last time we played. I'm surprised it saved that.
We've actually explored this before.
Alright, so we'll have to find another cave to explore. Oh shit. That's very spooky.
Maybe I didn't make it yet. Hold on. Why are you even still awake? No,
Alright, so what I'll do is I'll make more bookshelf racks on the inside. Shelf. There we go.
probably don't even have to say what yeah, it is. Probably don't even have to.
Yeah. Yep. Pretty irritated. So, time to go get some logs. Oh, come on. Why is it letting me grab that one? Oh, I just saw it.
Yeah, I love you, but I'm not happy with you.
So the rest of this stuff, I gotta get that frickin' one log. There we go. And then I'll store these two pieces right over here in this. Fuck it, just throw it down. I gotta go grab more. Oh. Have anything good in them? Oh, medicine's always a must. Never know when Billy's gonna get sick. Well, we got food cooking. Oh, I think I just ate a raw fish. I think you're supposed to... Are we supposed to heat up the meat like this, or... Is Billy okay? Is Billy okay? Is he... Billy,
Why do I...
snap out of it.
How do I put like the fish down and stuff?
Oh no.
Hey,
What?
don't give me the outfit and pull my coat down.
Yeah, because it ran out of space.
No, the space is...
Take a break, Billy. You deserved it.
My bad.
Wow.
Hey. Hello.
What?
I have like medicine. That's my one
Oh, yeah, I don't know why that is. So that's all I can store up there. I think we're doing pretty good. I'm about ready to say screw it on the printer. You can just delete all that shit. I don't know what we use it for. What are we supposed to do with this? Oh shit, sorry. I just scared the piss out of him. Didn't I make beds inside? No, I think that's like the one thing I didn't put in here was beds. Alright, so that's something I'll work on now. Oh wait, there we go. Stick bed. Shit, I need more sticks. No, put that down. Let me grab the damn sticks. Okay, I'm gonna try finishing that bed up there with just these 2 sticks. Hopefully that's all it needs. Oh wait, no, it needs rope. Shit, my bad. Or wait, what does it need? Oh, duct tape. Alright, my bad. Where's the tape at? Okay. There, now I can save, and then I can make you a bed. This looks like a nice spot to take a nap. That way if you roll off the bed, you fall right out the building. You gotta gather more sticks. There we go. Oh shit, I need more. Just for good measure, grabbed an extra. There. Alright, so we got another bed made.
What the fuck? Shit! Zombie! Zombie!
I'm a little tied up. Was he eating Billy?
Shit! Shit!
You fucking broke the whole neighborhood up. How many are there? Billy's not dead. No. Oh, there he is. He's awake. He's awake. He's just tired as fuck. He's probably very sick about us. Oh shit. Get back here, you little son of a bitch. Honey? I found a way. He's running around the backside of the house. Come here. Fuck. Why is it not letting me? Alright, dude. Where are you?
Billy, get the fuck up.
Dude, where do you go?
Need you to give me stuff.
Hey, where do you think you... Son of a bitch. Okay, got a body. Honey? No, he's awake. He's just really tired, honey. I'm telling you. No, just let him sleep.
No, he needs to go get some logs.
Honey, we got logs over here. Look. Look. Borrow from this. That's why I put them in the ground. Oh shit. Except for that one. Okay. Alright. Let me go to my bed. Okay. Oh, now we're awake. Look at that. Game saved. My guy's thirsty and hungry. There's shelves out front, honey. Around the front door. Dude, Billy's still laying there. Are you okay, Billy?
He's dead.
No, he's alive. He's just rolling around, like... Oh shit, where'd those bodies go that we just left out here? Shit, we should have finished them off. I just wanted to explore one more area, but I guess that's too much to ask.
That fucking window. I have to close it an hour and a half ago.
Oh hey, dude, the cases are full again.
Yeah, no. I already purchased something.
Oh, okay. Push button runs. Yeah, because the helicopter wreck is over here. Are we able to collect these? No? Hey, look at that. A giant fucking tortoise. I'll harvest his insides. Wait, do we have a map or no? Oh, there you are. Okay. I figure while we're still rested and our guys are energized, we should explore down this way a little ways. Alright, I'm gonna pull the GPS out so I can kind of keep track of... Oh hey, there was berries in here. Always make sure you can harvest berries, because those give you, like, you know, they feed your hunger as well as your thirst a little bit. Like, ooh, berries. Yeah. Anyways, what is that? Life preserver. See, the wreck was out here. Oh, there's a watch. There's oars. Oh, there's a canoe right here. Or a kayak, or whatever you want to call it. What is that? Oh, binoculars. That's always good to have. Did you get those? There's another one up here. Yeah, probably should put a sign up saying this is not your average everyday vacation. Don't want to travel here. Collecting the tarps too. Alright, cool. So we got enough food and drinks to hold us over. Look at this. There's like a trail, honey, that leads up this way. We should follow it and just see what brings us. Whoa, dude. There's a camp. No, turn that fucking radio off. Wow, it's money up the wazoo in here. No, no. What is this? Box of food. And a bunch of what? Oh shit. This guy's been dead for a while. If you look behind you, you'll see him. Honey, look at this. Did you see this? Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna leave this down here at the camp. I'm gonna leave this at the camp. This guy had guns. Oh, he had rifle ammo. Or, well, he had ammo. I don't know where his rifle and shit is, but, yeah, I'm going. I just didn't want to miss anything. There's a point of interest up here. See where the exclamation point is on the GPS? Tap right on the D-pad. Well, you're the one trying to lead the way, so I can't really lead you to it. Oh.
Damn it!
Oh, this... Don't shoot the rabbit.
Rob me!
Well, we'll shoot more when we come back, or when we go...
Stop!
Are you for real? You just fucking shot me. My scanner's going off like crazy right now.
Yep, I'm dealing with it right there. Red.
Oh.
Stop on the map.
What the fuck? What the hell is that thing? Dude, I just saw something jump up out of the bushes. Okay, where is it though?
Whatever it is, it's moving.
Something's stalking us. Oh shit. I found you, little bastard. Did I get him? I think I hit him right in the ass. Yeah, he's dead. Hold on. There. Me coming back after that. Oops, no, I don't want to do that. Alright, just keep looking, it's over here somewhere. Shit, it's right around here somewhere. It's freaking out. Are we supposed to like dig or something? Dude, your person just ripped ass. Oh, okay. Drop that rock. Being attacked. I don't know. Whatever it is, those little humanoid things that keep jumping around and they're making like fucking noises and shit. Alright, let's try again. Over here!
Yeah, I already read that.
Yeah, but the scanner's going off the fucking... Are you shooting?
No.
Oh. Okay. Pulling out the GPS thing. Let's go Let's start making our way back towards our camp, but we're gonna go back on the. We're gonna go to this trail over here. Stick with me.
Hold on.
Dude, that was a fucking deer. Okay. Got like a little. Oh, it's a freshwater pond. Alright. Oh shit. Apparently don't drink it. Don't drink it. Apparently it's poison. Unless I got bit by something. Something attacked me? Oh, Jesus Christ!
What?
I saw that! I saw that. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Where's that one?
Yeah, it was because he turtled. Jesus.
Dead.
Oh my god, Michaela, you are horrible when it comes to conserving ammo.
Hey, did someone take a look?
Hey, wow, check this out. There's like a huge clearing down here. What is this? Oh, it's a rock. Okay. Yeah, that's what they do. They're
Hey, I don't see it anymore.
yeah, he run.
Oh shit,
Oh
I do
yeah,
see it. I
yeah.
see it. I see it.
Oh yeah. Oh, perfect shot, Michaela. That was sick. Damn, what a shot. Oh,
Oh, me motherfucking asshole.
come with me, my fucking asshole. What?
Okay, I can't carry him.
Yeah, I was gonna say, let's leave him behind. Let's go back to base, but we'll go the other trail. What the?
How long ago the other trail?
What do you mean? There's plenty more to explore.
Yeah, and it's kind of like 2 hours in already, and I can make 2 videos.
Okay. Oh, dude, that's a deer.
Perspective.
I just got the deer.
That's like a Mississippi.
Damn right it is. What? New crafting recipe available in inventory? Yeah, I don't know if I like that noise. Oh, wait, right here! There's another camp.
Yeah, you can save it.
Oh. Alright, so I found some more 9mm buckshot ammo. Somebody got eaten alive here. Hey, you got a cooking pot.
Yeah, I tried to put that in the building.
What the fuck happened to this guy? I don't want to sleep in this town with this dead body. Is that it? Is that all that's in there?
I think so.
Alright, I saved. Let's make our way back to, yeah, I'm not gonna drink any more of the water around here because, really, the water's fucking poisonous. Whoa, what is this? Honey? What?
What's going on with that?
No, this is a way back to base. Fire. Oh shit, they're crying. Oh. Stand down. Stand the fuck down. Too many humans died. Got one. Yeah. No.
No, it's a zombie.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, tied up.
I don't know if they can bring themselves back to life or not. Oh, I got a hoodie. Found it. Finding clothes, honey. The fuck? There. What is that? Is that something we can bring with us? What the fuck? Oh shit. Honey, look on top of the hill.
Where? Oh,
Yeah.
I did.
Stay down. Holy shit, he's huge.
Right.
I know. We're going, honey. We're going. Hey, take a picture of me, honey. No, not with that. Not with that. You put that rifle down. There's a bunch of watches and stuff in here.
Sorry. I can't carry them.
What?
Can't really carry them.
I'm picking up whatever I can and carry. The bones we can make bone armor out of, so I tend to think that's not a bad thing to have. Holy shit, look at the money in this one. Food. Okay. Hold on, I gotta look at the radar. Oh, this is where they're coming from.
Alright, come back to it.
Hold on. This is gonna be easy. There's not as many of them. They got a little reader's chair. We gotta eradicate them. Whoa, what the fuck? Food. I don't know what that was I just collected, but I collected something I've seen before. Oh, I can't grab that. What else did you little trashy monkeys decide to... They're burning money. There's a boat motor. Oh shit, I can't hear that. Oh shit! That one blew the fuck up. Are you okay? Yeah.
Down here?
Yep. Good news is we killed a good majority of them. Can't believe that one almost killed me though. I gotta heal up. What is that?
Now where do we go now?
Well, you kind of diverted to the right. We were supposed to go left. Stay on the trail.
Walking.
We're supposed to stay on the trail, honey.
Don't go on the radio. What am I that? You're supposed to get on the trail.
Yes, because you're walking the opposite direction.
No, I was not, you motherfucker trucker.
Alright, where's Billy? Is he still alive?
Dead.
Why would you say that?
He's dead. Billy's dead. What happened to you?
That's rude.
What?
I said that's rude.
If he's not around here, he's dead. Billy died.
That's just messed up.
He's literally nowhere to be found.
You gotta be kidding me.
Legit dead.
No, honey, he's not dead.
He is. You want me to say that he's very much so alive and like nowhere around here?
Billy! No. No, no, no.
Bye, Billy.
Oh, wait, no. No, wait.
Gone. He's literally dead. You're gonna have to deal with it.
Oh, wait, no, he's right here. He's still sleeping. You fucking liar.
I can't see him anywhere.
He's right here.
I'm gonna have to go look. I didn't see him anywhere. I looked everywhere.
He's legit right here. How is him in?
He's still sleeping. He should still be sleeping. He should be awake. And up.
No, no, honey, I think he's recovering.
He's dumb.
I think we should help him.
He's retarded. Just let him die.
Billy, is there anything I can do for you?
Alright.
Alright,
Take care.
alright, let's go upstairs. Save, and then we should let our guys rest real quick before we get off. That way the next time we get on, it's, yeah. And then we'll see you guys next time. So thank you for watching, and I know we're gonna try to divide this up. Alrighty.
So I gave me the option of rest.